Pick up the tree, put on the jam. Yeah, man, go ahead, light it up. Pick up the tree, put on the jam. Yeah, man, go ahead, light it up. Like,
pour 2 glasses of hot cocoa. Glass half full, top with marshmallow. I just wanna sleep, my pillow soft like the snow. So you heard Christmas go hard, still don't know how hard I go. Light up the tree.
I be keeping up, party jumping like they just stepped on a Lego. Tried to stack on my queso. Gifts making it drip. I'm just here to decorate the tree, so let's go and get this thing lit and turn on the joint so we can just jam. Pick up the tree, put on the jam. Yeah, man, go ahead, light it up. Pick up the tree, put on the jam. Yeah, man, go ahead, light it up. Pick up the tree, put on the jam. Yeah, man, go ahead, light it up. Pick up the tree, put on the jam. Yeah, man, go ahead, light it up. Like.
Where are you? Where are you? Are you excited? You can't even talk?
That guy is drowning.
Oh no! Who are we gonna...
get eaten by the shark.
Oh, who do we need to call? What do you see?
A waterfall.
Okay, where is it? Oh, nice. Oh, you're finally going back to Legoland again. Yeah, there's nobody here. Not a lot of people. Hi, where are you, Khri?
One of the staff just told me there's only 50 people in the whole entire park today.